Right here on the screen is a $35 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. And one thing about this bonus that is wonderful is that you can withdraw from this bonus, because there are a lot of people that have been able to get it and withdraw from it. So in this video, I will show you every single thing you need to know about this bonus, starting from how you can claim it, to the terms and conditions, to how you can trade it and make profit with it, and also how you can withdraw from it. Right, but before then, you have to register an account to them, and to get the link to this bonus is in the description. And one more thing, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, do it, like this video, share it with people that you feel might need it, and most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'm on a journey of 30 days challenge where I'll be posting 30 videos to show you guys how you can make money online in 2025. And if you want to be a part of this project, don't miss out by subscribing to this YouTube channel and clicking on the notification bell, and also joining my Telegram platform so that you won't miss out when I drop any update about how you can make money online. Alright, so let's dive into how you can get this bonus. But before we continue, I will also be telling you the terms and conditions attached to being able to withdraw at the end of this video. So make sure you watch to the end of this video. Alright, so to get this bonus, you have to register an account to them, like I said earlier. So just click on the link in the comment section, in the description menu rather. It's going to direct you to a place like this where you have to register an account with them. And right here is where you have to input every details about yourself. And after inputting every details, just tick this, and after clicking on every single thing, then you click on continue right here. Click on continue. So let me do this and get back to the video as soon as possible. So this is me after inputting every single details I need to input. So right here, I'll just click on continue, and it's going to direct me to the next step, which is this, inputting the verification code I'll be getting in my Gmail. Alright, so let's head over to my Gmail and check for the verification message. Alright, so right here is the verification code I got from them. So I can either copy this and paste it on their website, or click on this confirm link right here, so that to confirm my link, my email directly. But right here, let's copy the code and head over to their website and confirm it. So after confirming our link, our email rather, it is going to direct us to their platform like this, which is something like this. Now you can either verify your identity right now, or you can verify it later. Alright, so the next step to get this bonus is by clicking on this menu button right here. Click on this menu button right here, and it's going to pop up something like this. So right here, you have to click on MT5 right here. So click on it, and it's going to direct you to somewhere like this. Just click on create new account right here. Alright, so right here is the $35 no deposit bonus that we are here to claim. As you can see, $35 welcome bonus. And all you have to do is just to scroll down into leverage. You select any leverage you want right here, and then you click on add new account. Right, so right here the access to rate our experience. You can decide to do this, and you can decide not to. All right, it's going to take you to a place like this, and as you can see, our $35 is in the account already, and we can start trading with it. Right, so we can start trading with the bonus right here. And now, how do we trade with the bonus? In our MT5, we need to get our password. This is our login ID right here, but we need our password and other details. So let's head over to our Gmail to check if we have any details from this platform, telling us our login details and every other thing we need to know. So right here is the message I got from them, and as you can see, they said our account has been created, and this is our password and investor's password. So all you have to do is to copy this login ID right here, and copy this password right here, and head over to our MT5 and log in to start trading, so that we can make profits and be able to withdraw from this bonus. So Let me do this now and get back to the video. So this is me opening my MT4, MT5 app rather. This is me opening my MT5, and right here you input the name of the broker. So the name of the broker is Maxify FX Limited. So this is it. And don't forget we are dealing with a live account. Ensure you are selecting a live account. And right here you input your ID, and right here you input your password. Alright. So let's input our password and ID right here. So after inputting everything, then you click on login right here and you wait for it to load. Alright. So right here it has been logged in successfully, and if you click on trade right here, our $35 is in the account already, and we can start trading with it. You can trade different pairs on this broker. You can trade different pairs, so you can place a trade on the platform to show that this platform is legit. Just let me place a trade right here. And as you can see, this is a place that a trade that I've placed. This is the platform right here. You can trade any pairs. You can choose to trade any pairs. And so this shows that you can trade with this broker, and after making your profit you'll be able to withdraw. So moving to the terms and condition attached to being able to withdraw from this bonus, let's head over there right now. All right, so concerning the terms and condition, the major terms and condition on this bonus is just trading 5 standard lots. All right, as you can see right here, trading 5 standard lots, and the minimum withdrawal is $100, and the maximum withdrawal is also $100. And as you can see, the bonus is not withdrawable. You can't withdraw the $35 no deposit bonus. You can just trade with it, and after reaching 5 lot size and making $100 as your profit, then you can make withdrawals. Right, so as you can see, your account will automatically close after 30 days of inactivity and cannot be reused after withdrawing your profit. So if you have withdrawn your profit, the account cannot be reused. So this is right, and also you must fulfill these terms and conditions in the space of 30 days. So this about this no deposit bonus. I hope you're able to get yours. If you are not able to get it, let me know what's stopping in the comment section. And if you're able to get it, send it to me on my WhatsApp so that I can share it to more people, that they can be able to claim this wonderful opportunity. Don't forget, we are on a journey to make money online without having to deposit any money of our own. So if you want to be a part of this journey, hit the subscription button and click on the notification button so that you won't miss out when I drop updates on how you can make money online in 2025 for free. Thank you so very much for watching, and do have a nice day.